Hello everyone, this is the video answer key for slide number 19, which is the beginning portions of the word problem in your graphing systems of equations learning task. So we have our word problem here. Suppose Ben, he's got $55 in his bank account, and then he starts saving $10 each week. Owen, he's got 20 bucks in his account. He starts saving $15 each week. We want to know, when will they both have the same amount in their accounts, and how much money will they have in those accounts at that time. So the first thing we got to do here is we got to figure out an equation for how much money will each person have in their accounts after a certain amount of weeks. All right, so let's just start with Ben here. So we got Ben over here. He's got 55 bucks to start with. That's his starting point. And then it says up here that he is saving $10 each week. Well, I'm just going to start making a little chart here. So after the first week, so week 1, he's got 10 bucks. And I'm going to not write the money sign. I'm just going to rewrite that as 10 times $1, okay? And then let's go to week 2. After week 2, he has saved another $10, so a total of $20. Total of $20. I'm going to rewrite that as 10 times 2. And then we go on to week 3. He has saved another 10 bucks, so now he's up to $30. And I'm going to rewrite that as 10 times 3. Well, if you notice, there's a pattern here. The 10 stays the same, but then I'm just multiplying that $10 by what number week has passed. So after 1 week, 10 times 1 is 10 bucks. After the second week, I multiply 10 by 2, which is week number 2, and I get 20 bucks. That's how much he has. And then I do 10 times 3, so I get $30. So if I say that X is going to equal, let's set X equal to the number of weeks that have passed. Let's rewrite an equation for Ben. Well, the equation would be, well, since X is in for the number of weeks, which is here, so week 1, that means it goes inside the parenthesis over here. Same thing here. So I can write 10x, and then I have to make sure to do the add the 55 in there because that's how much he started with. So you just tack that on to the end. So this is the formula for how much money Ben will have after so many weeks. And the same notion can be applied to Owen. Owen, he started off with $20 and he saves $15 each week. So instead of this 10 right here for each week, Owen's going to have 15. Okay, so the only thing that changes is that coefficient attached to the x, because that's how many dollars are saved each week. So in Owen's case, that's 15x, and then we add on what he started with, which was the 20 bucks. There we go. Okay, so we have found our equations. Now let's go down here to our tables. Let's find out exactly what week are they going to have the same amounts in here. So Ben's equation over here is 10, I want this in red. Thank you, red. 10x plus 55. And over here in Owen's, we have 15x plus 20. So we always start with, when we're dealing with word problems, we always start with 0, like week 0. AKA what does he start off with? And of course, that's going to be 55 for Ben's case, because we do 10 times 0, which is going to cancel out because anything times 0 is 0, and that gives us 55. And then in the case of Owen over here, we do 15, plug in 0. Oops, forgot the 20. And that gives us 20 over here. Now for the next one, this is after the first week. How much money is he going to have in total? That's including the $55. Well, we do the $10 times 1 plus 55. 10 times 1 is 10 plus 55 is 65. Come over here to Owen. After week 1, how much money is he going to have in his account? Well, we just plug in the 1 for X, add 20. 15 times 1 is 15 plus 20 is $35. So we're not quite there yet. Ben still has more money. So go ahead and pause the video and then fill out the rest of the charts and then check back in with me to see if your answers match mine. Go ahead. All right, you should have tables that look exactly like this. So week 5 for Ben, he's got 105, and at week 5 for Owen, he's got 95. So they're close, but they're not matching yet. But Owen is catching up. So we just need to add a couple of more rows to this. So let's just do a couple more rows. Let's do 2. Oops. There we go. Do that and do that. So let's go out to 6 and then 7 just to add a couple. So we got 10 times 6 plus 55. And if you notice, I don't really have to do math anymore because I just noticed that everything is going up by 10 at this point, which makes sense because he is saving $10 each week. So this is 115. And this is 10 times 7 plus 55, which is going to give me 125. Let's see if that is enough for Owen to catch up. So we got Owen over here. There we go. So 6, and this time over here with Owen, I'm not doing any math either because I know that Owen is increasing. If you look here, the pattern is it's increasing by $15, which is exactly how much Owen is saving each week as well. So 95 plus 15 is 110. And then let's do one more. Let's see if it matches, hopefully. Otherwise, we're going to add some more. 15 times 7 plus 20. We'll add 15 to 110. We get 125. Hey, there we go. There it is, folks, right there, 125 each. And which week is that? That is week number 7. So week 7, they will have the same amount. Week 7, and how much money is that? They have $125. All right. So that's it for this video. And the next video, I will do it graphically because that's another way that they want you to show it. They want you to show it using a table and then also prove that graphically to see if they match. All right. Thanks for watching this and listening to it. I hope it helped. As always, be safe and be healthy. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.